breaking point number 1 has been broken here. This one, sorry, it has been broken. And this one is still not, it's still yet to be broken. Can you see?
Yeah, sure.
So I'll be taking this sell limit, means that I will be taking a short briefly to this point, and then I'll be buying more towards the upside, just like that. Can you see where this market could be leading to? I'm not giving you a signal. I'm just showing you how you can understand this. Can you see now? That's
sure.
The best now. So if this pair can reach up to there, if this pair can go up to there, stop there, and go to the downside, I will not be taking this to the downside. I'll be taking this one first to there, then sell.
Yeah, sure.
So the leader in this case then it's Euro Yen. So this is our leader. This is the leader. And this is the follower.
The follower.
This thing is not written on books, on literature. It is what the market is writing now. I'm on H1, so when did they write it on H1? It's very difficult for you to know. So it just happens now. So as the person who does not research the market would never know where the market is going. So in this case, I've got a leader and a follower. There's a lot of gap left on the NZD to go up, which these guys have recovered. Of course, they are not, it's not a holy grain. Sometimes they fail, meaning that sometimes it could be the NZD. You see, NZD can come here and it can push the price to the downside like this. You see this?
Yeah.
Because why does it do that? It will be because maybe it could have been because the Euro Yen has found resistance there. Then all the yens are finding resistance, and then the market crashes. You see this?
Yeah, no, sure.
So it could be that way. So all that you need to do, you need to mix it with other strategies. But in this case, it shows that the yen could still weaken a little bit, or just to go to this resistance level, just to go to the resistance level. Once they get to that point, up to there, and there is gonna be falling. So if this currency pair falls from there, this one could be falling from here. Make sense?
Oh, if that one falls there on top,
if they are,
that one can be.
Yeah. If, let's do it again. If Euro Yen pushes up, it means that NZD will be pushing up. Okay?
Yes.
NZD Yen pushes up. Let's start with Euro Yen. Euro Yen pushes up. The next level where it could stop, it's here. Do you see this point?
Yeah, sure. 130.
Because of this point. Do you see this point?
Yes, the previous resistance.
And this guy is gonna be finding resistance somewhere here. Do you see this?
Yeah, sure.
Then they both fall. This one falls like this. Then they are falling. When they fall from here. Can you see?
Yeah, sure.
If the fall is big here, they could also be big. This case, in that case, it means that this would be the end of the strength of the weakness of the yen. Meaning that if Euro Yen can fall big, it means that the NZD Yen will also fall big. So they must move also in proportion.
Oh yeah.
All right. If you had known Elliott waves, I would have also shown you how we can also predict that some other waves, they can be longer than others. All right. In this case, this could be 1, 2, and then they went to get 3 for 1, 3, 4, 5. Can you see?
Yes.
And these guys could be doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this guy would have ended there. While, so who helped? So this guy had an advantage somewhere there. You see, so this wave here had an advantage because it was way too long. So when the euro was going up, the yen was struggling. Can you see?
Oh yeah.
Yes. So in this case, it's most likely, I'm telling you now, the biggest likelihood is that this price will stop here. and this guy will stop here because of the Elliott waves theory.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. This is how
Yeah,
we use correlation. So meaning that this one may not be able to go up, but this one, when it falls from the high, this one will be falling from this first point, So that's how it looks like at the moment. So this is how you do leader and follower relationships on the similar pairs. So these are direct correlation, this one, direct correlation, where one is the leader, one is the follower. And this is when you use a single currency. The base is the same, the code currency, rather the base are different and the code currencies are the same. Sometimes you can compare. Now for your exercise, what you could do is that you can compare USD Swiss franc. You can compare that with GBP Swiss franc. You can compare Euro odd with GBP odd. That's exactly how follow a leader. You can compare GBP ZAR with what? Euro, with USD ZAR, which is exactly what I traded today. So GBP ZAR was falling more than USD ZAR. I traded GBP ZAR, you see, because I could see that it was going to give me more money than USD ZAR.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so this is the first part that you need to be getting it very, very well. That know how to put them together.
Yeah, no,
And then I try to handle again.
Yeah, no,
okay, so basically that's exactly what happens with you still need to know, as you might have seen, that's what's done. You still need to know a little bit of more strategies. So in this case, I was just showing you a simple strategy of A, B, or maybe the Elliott waves principle, you know. So, but I'm not teaching you strategy. I'm just showing you. I was started to show you how we get correlation right. So these guys could be going up to there, and that's exactly how it is done. All right. So basically, this is how we found our correlation today, demonstrated to you.
Okay.
But it's very, again, as I told you about Confluence, it's very difficult for you. Okay, that's how it is. It's very difficult if the strategies are also weak from that point. So that's the first part. The second part